my boss the truth.
What's the problem now?
Tell my boss you're not
What's
pregnant.
the problem? See, if anything happens to my marriage. See, what I was going to say. Stay away from my marriage. Stay away from my marriage.
I've told you, tell your boss you're not pregnant. Tell my... Tell my boss that you're not pregnant.
I'll give you any amount you want. I'm going to give you those millions. Oh, please, don't do this for me again. Please.
How much do you want to pay?
I'll give you 5 million.
Just tell me what I do.
Please don't go this one, eh? My marriage is at stake, please.